Hello, 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 hello! Dito tayo ngayon sa ulit dito sa Elders Park. Okay, walk. Lalakad tayo. Okay, we will not mind the music. Pero nagbabadyang uulan. Salubungin natin yung sasakyan para hindi tayo matagasaan. Para cool na yun. Dito tayo sa this barbecue for vendors, I think. Yeah, getting close.
Akin na yung bag mo, palit tayo. What about ticket number 1? False alarm pala. Memoryado mo yung 114, congratulations! Nanalo po kayo. What about ticket number 330? Anybody who's holding ticket number 330? 330, calling once, twice, parating na, ayan. Next. Para mabilis na. 221, ticket number 221.
Okay, ayan, pasok na tayo. Sila naman ang video natin. Pinoy Ontario vendors eh.
Ay, titigil, gano'n ka. 075, anybody? Ticket number 075. Tatakbo na, may tatakbo na. 308, moving on, 308. 308, sino yan? Ay, number na. 420, where are you? 420, number 420. Congratulations. Yes, ikaw ang nanalo. 308 ulit. Meron ba? 308, wala. po si ano? Marco Menticini. 420! Ticket number 420, come here. You deserve to get a prize. Alis na kayo? Pero hindi ko pa napagay. 420, 420. 151. Ticket number 151. Anybody?
Ano, nagmamadali siya?
Nakakain na kayo ng lunch.
Hindi ba? Oo nga, ito tayo sa likod.
200, 200. Ticket number 200. Anybody? Wala. 254. Ticket number 254. Ha?
Ay, ako.
Alright, 254. Ticket 254. Ayan, ayan si Kuya. Congrats. Okay, so Kuya, you've won yourself a Canex Realty Team. Doon mo po i-collect yung prize. Nandun. Ay. May laman daw yan sa loob.
Wow, gift card.
Ito sa loob and you can also, ito si ate. Oo, kanina. Dalawa yan 003019. 171, wala. 091, calling again, 091, wala. 123 ka? 456. 174. 174, wala. Hanapin mo daw yung 123. 456 ang meron kami. 40, tapos na to, 420. I mentioned this already, yeah.
Daming tao.
Hindi, 420. 420, ticket 420, wala. 301. 301. Anybody who has ticket 301. 174. Oh, okay. 301, wala yan. Ito. 167. Where are you? 167. Wala. Wala rin mo. Dalhin mo lang muna, Tek. Dalhin mo muna. Nabigyan ako.
I got 2 pork belly ready to go. Look at that, it's burning. Sunog na. You wanna eat charcoal? So how are you, man? Long time no see. Out of the blue. Hindi pa ako dati natanggap sa langit.
Sabay.
Shout out tayo kay DG Rich.
Trade mo lang.
Thank you. DG Rich. So, what biggest move? Yo, kaway ka naman! Chat one! Ito na. Ang malita.
Maglalagay kami ng pwesto ni Chris dapat.
in Ontario.
Yay!
And give it up for all of the Kababayan in Canada. Mabuhay!
Yay!
So much. I'm not going to get in the way of the good food, of the good partying, of the good karaoke. Anybody here like the karaoke? A few karaokeers, a few experts. I want you all to have a wonderful time. We live in a great city, a great province, and a great country, and that is largely because of the contributions of the Filipino-Canadian community. And I'll just say lastly that this year we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of Canada-Filipino bilateral relations. And I've had the chance recently to travel to the Philippines not once, but twice. Very recently, I had the chance to go to the Philippines, to be in Manila, to be there for the President's State of the Nation. And I'll tell you that the relationship between our two countries has never been stronger when it comes to economic trade, and most importantly, when it comes to the people-to-people ties. And again, that is because of you, each and every one of you, what you contribute to your families, to your communities, to business, to culture, to music. I see Ryan here, who knows how to sing, and everybody else. So thank you so much. Salamat po. Mabuhay!
Thank you, Honorable MP Marco Mendocino. Welcome here at POV Barbecue Party.
Thank you, DJ Jeff Tan. Honorable. First honor student, Jeff Tan. Ayan po, once again, that was Honorable MP Marco Mendocino of Lawrence and Eglinton. Lawrence Eglinton, palakpakan po natin siya. And for sure, he will be visiting the booths and the vendors that we have here. He's gonna be mingling with all of us here. So thank you so much for your presence, Sir Honorable MP Marco Mendocino, guys. Alright, so moving on, we have some games to play again. So get ready. If tapos na po kayong kumain. Ayan, pero before that, mag-plug muna po tayo ng isang upcoming shows here in Toronto.
Okay.
Hello everybody, I'm hoping everyone's having a great barbecue. If you look in your gift bag to some of the lucky winners, we've given out 2 free tickets to our show called Queen to Queen, which we also formally all invite you to come to. It's going to be Jaya and I, so we're going to have the Queen of Soul and the Queen of Comedy for a live performance. This is going to be at the Toronto Pavilion, October 19th on a Saturday. Doors open at 6 p.m. If you want to buy tickets, our booth is right over there. Come see us, Queen to Queen. Keep enjoying your day and hope to see you at the booth. Thank you, everybody.
Alright, thank you so much once again, guys. Ayan po, promoting Queen to Queen show on October 19 sa Toronto Pavilion with Jaya and I. And also, the booth is over there, so if you want to purchase your tickets as early as now, you can also buy the tickets now, right? Oh, they have a 20% discount now, guys. Ayan po, so maglaro muna po tayo ng games. So may I call... Picture mo na daw. remind you to please clean after yourselves. Let's respect the place that we are in right now. So make sure that all of our garbage will be in the right bin or plastic bag. So, and yes, calling all POV members later on and all our guests here. We are going to be announcing the winner. Of course, meron po tayong mananalo ng Best Tie-Dye, male and female and family division also. Meron din tayong mga papremyo para sa mga ano. So, make sure you're still wearing your tie-dye outfits because so, ngayon po, mag-group picture muna po tayo. So, calling all our POV committees, officers, and members, please proceed to the backdrop over there. Alright, once again, I would like to call all our POV members, committees, officers, guests, and families to please proceed here sa background. Magpa-picture muna po tayo. But before that, I would like to thank the last set of sponsors. Without them, this event wouldn't be successful. We would like to thank Hat Shirt, W. Roy Inkstock, THE Connected or Duck Connected, Tricks Trading, thank you so much, Tropang Ilonggo, Zidans Marathon Production, Yams Alcalde, thank you Ate Yams, Agnes Miranda of WFG, thank you so much. Tommy Fillers Catering by Kuya Erwin and Ate Cherry, maraming salamat po. Kuya po Association of Canada, Cellmaster Sales Repair Install, thank you so much. RTJ Productions, Power Dreams Entertainment, thank you so much. RN Medical Aesthetics and Spa, ACC Events and Services, Jerome Peralta, thank you so much Kuya Jerome. Ziana Boutique, that was the sponsor for our clothes a while ago. Alright, calling all POV members, come here muna, picture muna tayo guys. Punta muna kayo dito. At while pumupunta pa yung iba, I would like to continue thanking Mahisog Toronto, Ontario, Ram Guardians Brotherhood, Wang Choice Kellion, CPGBI Guardians, Crispin Nevada. Dapat ba hindi takpan? Picture mo na daw. Alright, we also would like to continue thanking Crispin Nevada, the Ageless Reborn. Alright, once again, calling all our POV members, officers, and committees, and volunteers to please come here. Higa daw kayo sa ground. Higa kayo sa grass, guys. Huwag yung takpan.
Sabi, kaya ba ng camera? Kaya ba ng camera mo yan?
Asan na yung official? Official photographer. Oh, hanggang alas 5 tayo dito. Come on.
Taghay kayo.
Video to, hindi ka
left eyeball should look to the left and your right eyeball should be to the right. Naduling na. Okay, ulit. Hi!
Pumatay!
Picture lang po yan, hindi po yan video.
Sa akin, video.
Huwag kayo Yan, may pag-ganun-ganun. Ito yan, siya lang po nakukulan dyan. Mag-hi kayo dyan guys, live po yan. Ng 10 minutes tayo lang nagla-live dito. Ayun na, ayan na, six. Ayan na yung konduktor. Sabi ng konduktor, tama na. O, second batch. Alright, so going back, asa na ba ako? We would like to thank again po the Ageless Reborn, Casamamo Incorporated, God Pamayanan, IFCNA, thank you so much, Mugby Canada, Mugby Canada, maraming salamat, Plaka Vibes World, Pinoy Vibes World, Triskelion, Ontario, Tao, Canada. Ay, sorry, nandiyan pala kayo. Ayan, sama na kayo lahat dito. Harina Pandisal, maraming salamat din. And of course, Tao, Canada and CPAC. O, atras muna kayo doon mga photographer. Ayan, once again, we would like to thank our sponsors and our supporters. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Louder!
Andiyan po si Justin Trudeau sa aeroplano. Nagsa-say hi to us. One more. Mga 100 times to guys. Wave daw. Hindi sabay-sabay. Ulan na naman. Tara. Ayan na. Ayan, maraming salamat to all our guests, supporters, POV members, committees, and officers. And po, as I've mentioned a while ago, we are going to be declaring the winners for the best male tie-dye and female tie-dye, and of course, family tie-dye division, family division.